Ready? Paragraph. Start. It is indeed surprising that after such a long time you should make this complaint. We would like to draw your attention to the fact that the goods in question were supplied to you strictly in accordance with your specifications when your order was placed with us. We had asked for classification on a number of points as we wished to be very clear about your requirements, though we were not convinced that the specifications would meet your requirements. We took pains to see that your order was executed strictly in accordance with your specifications. We went to all this trouble simply because we held the belief that the customer is always right. We might also add for your information that we had considerable difficulty in executing your order. Firstly, the raw materials needed were in very short supply, and when they did become available, to the problem of transport arose because of the shortage of railway wagons. These raw materials had to be transported by road, which naturally increased our cost. Secondly, we had to face labor trouble as our workers went on strike demanding a rise in their wages. In spite of all these adverse conditions, we adhered to the time limit laid down by you. Taking into consideration the above circumstances, we presumed that you would settle our bills within 30 days as agreed. However, to our utter dismay, we find that you have not only not settled our account as already agreed, but have raised several objections nearly 6 months after the bills were sent to you. Para, in these circumstances, we have no alternative but to suspend further transactions with you. In case you so desire, we are prepared to send our representative to you to discuss the whole matter and to arrive at a settlement. We would like to stress that we cannot allow this matter to remain pending any longer and that a solution must be found at an early date. If we do not hear from you within a week's time, we regret to state that we will have no alternative but to take legal proceedings. Para, it is hoped that this extreme step will not be necessary and that the account will be settled to the satisfaction of both the parties. In order to help you in deciding this matter early, we would be only too glad to furnish any further classifications you need. Stop.